everyone, hope you all are doing great. This is Gayatri, welcome you all to BioSchool. Do you know some species are named as keystone species? Why they are named as the keystone species? In today's video, we will discuss about keystone species, their name derivation, definition with example. So guys, please enjoy the lecture. Hey everyone, keystone species is the one of important topic from ecology. Let's know more details about it. The concept of keystone species was given in the year 1969 by the zoologist named Robert T. Penn. Okay? So, the keystone species is defined by Penn as a species that is disproportionately large effect on its environment relative to its abundance. Means the keystone species has large effect on the environment and that is not proportionate to its abundance. Instead of its low abundance, it affects the structure function of ecosystem. And those species that control the structure and function of ecosystem instead of its abundance is known as the keystone species. The word keystone species derived from the practice that a wedge-shaped stone is used to support the top of an arch in a bridge or the construction. Here in diagram you can see this is the arch. Here this stone is used to support the structure of arch and this stone is known as the keystone. As this keystone, it holds the structure of the arch. If you remove the keystone, then what will happen? Entire arch or the entire system will be damaged. Similarly, keystone species play important role in ecosystem. If the keystone species are absent, then entire ecosystem will be lost. Okay, and they are the very important species, and they control the structure of ecosystem, and many species are depend on the keystone species. So let's see some of the examples of keystone species. One of the example is sea otters and kelp forest. Okay, so this is the sea otter and this is the example of California forest. You know, the sea otters, they feeds the sea urchin. Okay, and in turn the sea urchin for its food it depends on the kelp forest. Kelp forest, this is the rich in algae. Okay, and you know the algae, they have the photosynthetic activity and they prepare their own food. Okay, and the sea urchin, it feeds on the kelp forest. If the sea otters are killed for the fur, then what will happen? At one time the population of sea otters will be decreased. If the population of sea otter will be decreased, then what will happen? Then that will lead to increase in the number of the sea urchin. As the sea urchin number it increases, then they will feed on the kelp forest and the kelp forest ecosystem it will be lost. Okay, if the kelp forest ecosystem it will be lost, then the other vertebrate and the invertebrate who are depends on the kelp forest for their habitat, then their number will also be decreased. That's why the sea otter it plays a role of an keystone. If in this ecosystem there are the sea otters at the present, then they will control the number of sea urchin and in turn the kelp forest will also be maintained. The other example is pigs in the forest. In some forest communities in tropical America, the pigs are act as a keystone species. Pig bears the fruit all around the year. Okay, and mostly the frugivorous animals like you can say the pigeons, parrots, some fruit eating bats, they depends on the pig plant for their food. If the pig plant is absent, then without the pig plant what will happen? Many species they will be disappear from the community. So here the pigs they control the structure of the community, they control the number of all the frugivorous animals in the community. So the pig plant it is also an example of keystone species. Another example is African elephant. African elephant is found in Africa, and its role is to destroy the large trees and consumption of young saplings of the savanna grassland. Okay, and in the savanna grassland, that is the home for many grazers like zebras, buffaloes, and antelopes. As the African elephant, they destroy the large trees. There is a more space for the grasses. Okay, so here the African elephant is also act as the keystone species. Hope you guys now have a clear idea about the keystone species. This is the previous year question, and the question is, which one of the following statement is incorrect about keystone species? It's the task for you all. Just solve the question and comment down the correct answer. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, then please do share and subscribe with your friends. Bye bye. See you in my next video.